Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be telling you how to basically get Mullvad VPN vouchers. So recently they have released their voucher codes for different countries, and now the good news is we have a lot of different countries um, eligible to get the voucher codes basically. So it is pretty awesome. Right now Mullvad offers different kind of voucher codes and discounts on different sites, especially on their social media handle. So the best method to get their voucher code is going to be following them on their social accounts, and a lot of sales are just going now and then that you can simply catch on to, and I hope these one are going to be really helpful for you guys. So make sure to give a try to these, and I hope you get any voucher code. Once you have it, you can simply head over to your account and get to the voucher code section and choose them as a payment method, and you will be getting a free copy of your VPN or maybe subscription to unlimited time access. So yeah, I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next video.